This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your PayPal account. Before proceeding, it's crucial to ensure your account balance is at zero. You'll also need to remove any linked bank accounts or credit cards from your profile. Make sure all outstanding issues or disputes are fully resolved, as you cannot close an account with pending matters. Taking these initial steps will make the cancellation process much smoother and prevent any future complications. Once your account is ready, log into PayPal using a web browser, as the mobile app might not offer this option. Look for the settings icon, usually a small gear, in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account preferences. Within the settings menu, you should find an option related to account settings or directly close your account to move forward with the process. After locating the Close Your Account link, click on it to begin the final steps. PayPal will then guide you through a series of on-screen prompts to confirm your decision. You might be asked to provide a reason for closing your account, which helps them improve their services. Carefully review all information before confirming, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone once completed. It's important to understand that once your PayPal account is closed, it cannot be reopened, and your transaction history will no longer be accessible. We highly recommend downloading your complete transaction history before initiating the closure, so you have a record for your personal files. This ensures you retain all necessary financial information for future reference, as PayPal will not store it for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.